Hey y'all, and I am back with the second portion of this closet clean out. I promised you I would share the things that I'm getting rid of that are my athletic apparel because I have a shit ton and I just, not that I don't use it, I just need to get rid of it. So I am going to go through my things here with you, let you know what I plan on selling and what maybe I'm just gonna donate to Goodwill. But yeah, let's get started. Alright y'all, so as you know, I already had mentioned that I had a lot of Lululemon things that I have here that I'm going to be getting rid of. You can see my legging stacks there in the back, and I have some skirts, and then I have some tops, some more tops, and some long sleeves, and also jackets. So let's get to it. I'll show you just a few of these things. I want to keep this short because you already like stuck in it with me, you know, for the big long haul of the closet clean out. But look at how pretty this red striped jacket is. I mean, I'm telling you, I wore this baby like maybe twice. She like brand new, like brand new. She going on sale. These long sleeve tops are so beautiful because it has like this paisley print throughout the body. Just love. I also have it in this really pretty pink blush color too. I am giving you hot pink fuchsia in this Define jacket, which is in super great condition. And then who's a fan of a nice like old school scoop neck from Lululemon? Well, I'm bringing you the dress form. Sorry, this is probably not really great at showing you the items, but you know, this baby has been worn for like my auditions, but she still is in good quality, or I mean good condition. I have another Lulu dress here. Let me tell you about some raw threads. Okay, so you might not have heard about this brand, but oh my goodness, this material, it's just like, what is this? It says it is organic cotton and bamboo with a little bit of elastane in it. I'm just telling you, this material is really, really soft. If you've ever been to a Run Disney Expo, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. But if not, I'm selling a few of these cute little bow tanks here. This one is from the Queen of Hots from Alice in Wonderland. I have an Evil Queen one where it's the apple on the front, and then, oh, you got the cute mirror on the back. I have some Elsa, I have some Cinderella in the mix, so it's all going. How cute is this like Lululemon racer back though? It's so islandy. It's really pretty, but again, I just don't wear it. But it's like, honestly, like brand new quality. I wore it like maybe twice. I really should start wearing my things more because I just keep like making it rain, acting like I'm rich, and I'm not. A cute little polka dot one with the pleated butt. Pleated one that looks like a little cheerleader skirt. This was maybe worn once again. Oh, and I have a cute little Cinderella skirt that is from the Raw Threads brand as well. It does have the shorts underneath, just like the Lululemons do. Oh, and there's a pocket there too. Forgot about that. See how much I wear it. Anyways, I do have some really fun printed leggings. These are real cute if you're a mermaid fan. I wore these once. They're real cute, but for me, not so much. I'm just not a really big print gal anymore. I did end up wearing these like underneath the heel though, so I will say that they have like little worn off spots on the heel, but other than that, they're in great quality. Some Lululemon high-waisted like hunter green, emerald green. These are great for like Christmas time. Oh, and here's some blueberry flex. I'm gonna part ways with these babies. I mean, I like them, but I just don't need all of these things, and to be honest, I don't wear them that much. I got like maybe 2 uses out of these babies, so they go in. I have lots of deep colors that are cute. They're real pretty, but I'm just gonna part ways. Little ruffled bottom at the end. They're like a crop style. Mesh legs in between the navy. Ooh, I forgot about these. These are like a really pretty teal a darker teal, obviously, but they have like this whole little holy pattern down the whole thing. And this material, it's like a seamless feel. But then at the top, there's obviously seams around the waist and stuff like that. I wore these babies, I think, once. Great condition, like brand new. I just don't care for them on myself. I feel like the area I worry about mostly is like my inner thigh, like the thigh region. And so with these holy things on the side, me personally, I just feel like it accentuates it and makes it look a little bit bigger than I want. So good pants, but for me, no. Some more like golden mermaid. These, honestly, actually I'm probably not going to be selling these babies unless it's like for $2, because these babies have been worn. They're a little like worn off with the gold, so just kidding. Goodwilling it. I have fun Lisa Frank ones. Ooh, everyone loves some Lisa Frank. I mean, I did when I was a kid. So much. So just go to my Poshmark. Also check my eBay. I will have everything listed below. If some of these styles are still available, I will also put the shoppable links for you. Those links I do make a small commission off of, but honestly, most of this stuff is not any longer in store. Like besides the Flex from Gymshark, maybe some of my Wonder Unders from Lulu, but pretty much everything is just older, but I just don't wear it anymore, and it's all in really good condition, so I'm just gonna pass it along to the next person. So I'll have everything listed below. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click that bell. That way you always are notified every time I upload a video. My measurements, that's a good thing. I'll have all my details listed below as well. That way for like size referencing, because most of my stuff, Lululemon, I'm like a 4 to 6. Gymshark, I'm mostly a small, sometimes extra small, but I believe in the things that I have here, it's small. And then other than that, like the raw threads, those are all smalls. So just so you have a little like estimate, like what you're working with and like in relativeness, like with me. And until next time, bye!